Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Plug Power stock and forecast fuel cell firm set to pierce through ceiling amid higher revenue hopes. http ntvforex.com News ID 7C5B4B 4 minutes ago by Yohai Elam. Nasdaq plug is on course for another day of gains, potentially challenging August's highs. Expectations for higher revenues continue pushing Plug Power Inc.'s shares higher. The downward correction, triggered by a bearish report, seems to have prompted bargain seekers, pulling the plug this time on the downward correction. Nasdaq plug is set to gain ground for a third consecutive day and perhaps challenge the 52-week high of $14.35 or at least the closing peak of $13.65 recorded in mid-August. NBSP Plug Power Inc. shares are changing hands at $13.25 in Thursday's pre-market trading, up some 1.5%. It hit a closing bottom of $12.34 on Monday and has been marching forward since then. NBSP Plug stock news: the designer and manufacturer of hydrogen fuel cells has yet to turn a profit since its foundation in 1997, but prospects its revenues are higher. Analysts expect revenues to increase by around 35% in 2020, paving the way for profitability later down the line. NBSP earlier, sellers seemed to be driven by a bearish report by Citron. Analysts there claimed that Plug Power will miss its 2020 revenue guidance by no less than 40% this year. The drop in Nasdaq Plug's price seemed to have created a buying opportunity for bargain seekers. Another reason for the rise is the growing demand for energy stocks. Tortoise Acquisition Corp Class A NYCSHLL surged only by announcing it is looking to deploy cash into an energy stock. NBSP, on the other hand, it is essential to note that the stock has nearly quintupled in the past 12 months, and the company is worth almost $5 billion, somewhat rich for a company that is not generating profits. NBSP broader markets are awaiting a critical speech from Jerome Powell, chairman of the Federal Reserve. He may open the door to keeping lower interest rates for longer, thus fueling stocks including fuel cell technology Plug Power. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.